Hey, what's up, free coin holder? So this is the latest update of free coin, my friend. And what's the prediction to upcoming days? Free coin is moving up or fails down. And what's the current condition? And what's the opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Everything discussed in this video with completely details after a very big research, my friend. I make this video, so kindly don't skip any second of this video. All right, my friend, come to the point. First of all, I will request you, my brother, to subscribe this channel and press bell icon. If you subscribe this channel, then I have guaranteed you, my friends, so you cannot lose anymore. Please kindly subscribe this channel for latest news and updates. My friend, the last 1 hour chart is on the screen. First of all, this is the latest update. You can see here plus 5.36%. They moving up in just in the last 1 hour. So all free coin holder, congratulations to them. A change occur is in positive. You can see here this time the price is also 0.00011 US dollar. If you see, my friend, this time in the last 1 hour, the price is completely moving up. But definitely you can see here 0.001 US dollar as the price. So definitely in the last 1 hour, my friend, they're moving up like a rocket. So the change occur is in positive. Congratulations, everyone. All right, my friend, what's the prediction? My friend, the prediction is very important, my friend. So therefore I want to predicate you, my friend. This time the predication is very important. You can see here they're moving up. The resistance line is here, my friend, and they are in the positive definitely. So they cross the resistance line. So my friend, if they're moving off, then absolutely, my friend, they cross the resistance line. And that's mean, my friends, definitely if we zoom the research chart, my friend, you can see here this time they're moving up. So definitely, my friend, after fails, my friend, they take a jump. So definitely in the upcoming time they also moving up, and at the midnight, my friends, they can hit 0.00111 US dollar. It's mean to 111 US dollar, my friend. 0.00111 US dollar, my friend, they can hit it. So this is the target. This is not a fake target, my friend. I told you today can hit 1 US dollar, 2 US dollar. This is not a fake news. This is a latest and urgent and original news, my friend. So all holder, keep touch with us. I update you when they fails down, when they take a jump. Absolutely, I update you every current condition, my friends. Today fails down more, in upcoming time they fails down, and they're move up. So kindly holders, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for latest news and updates.